Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, we are just going to vote for the outfit that we're going to make tutorial on. And we have three lovely outfits selected by our followers, by our subscribers, and we are yet to make a decision on which one to make a tutorial on, because this tutorial is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. As I said earlier, we have a lot of people making requests on the outfits to make tutorials on. If you are not yet there, kindly join us through this WhatsApp link that I'm going to leave in the description box, or check the comment section. You are going to see the WhatsApp link so as to join this great family. And when you join this family, do you know what? You are going to be among those who will be able to drop a picture of what you want us to recreate for you, and we will be there to make tutorials on this. So at this point, we have already selected three outfits selected by our dear subscribers, by our followers, and we are yet to make the decision on which of these outfits to make the tutorial on. Remember, I always say that majority carries the vote. So if you want us to make tutorials on this outfit, I want you guys to indicate in the comment section. I'm going to put the picture here so as to see what you want us to recreate. So far, we have set goals, and it seems that we are still having brackets in the three outfits, and a lot of suggestions to make another pool, which is really time consuming. We don't really have much time on our part. So I would like you guys to make the suggestion here on the YouTube channel so as to know which of these carries the vote. So outfit number one is the brown suit. And this is the brown suit that we are talking about. In this particular suit, we can see that we have both the bodies and the vest. So we're going to make tutorial on how to make the suit and how to make this particular vest. So if you are of the opinion that we should make this particular outfit, so I would like to have your comments down in the comment section. So just kindly indicate there, option 1, brown suit. Option 1, brown suit. That is just what you're going to write in the comment section. And trust me, I'm going to be there in the comment section to go through all the comments and then compile the results. And the people that make the best suggestion is what we are going to use for the next tutorial. So option number 2 is this black safari corporate suit. So if you are of the opinion that we should make a video tutorial on how to achieve this black safari corporate suit, I would like you to also drop your comments in the comment section by indicating option 2, black safari corporate suit. And option 3 is gold safari suit. So if you are of the opinion that we should make the video on this gold safari suit, I would like you to indicate in the comment section option 3, gold safari suit. Option 3, gold safari suit. And this will help us to know which of these tutorials they are going to start recreating. I'm so sorry that we are unable to carry people along during the last poll that we set because they were unable to join. Be rest assured that if you join us before the next selection, your vote is going to count in the pool. So please do well to join us through the link that I'm going to leave in the description box. Then you will have the opportunity to send the picture of what you want us to recreate. You can still drop it on time so that when we are setting the pool, it will reflect on the picture. So guys, I really want to thank you guys for always being there. Thank you guys for the support that you have given, the encouragement in one way or the other. I will not take this for granted. That is why I am all out to give you the best tutorial ever. So do well to join this great family. If this is the first time of seeing this video, do not say I will come back to it, because you may not find us again. So grab this opportunity now by hitting on the subscribe button, turning on your notification bell, then share this video to as many people as possible, because there may be people out there looking for the opportunity or looking for groups to join that will help them to enhance their learning skills on making outfits. So do well to share the video to them so that they can join this great family of learning free of charge. This particular channel is all about you. you and you. So we are learner center in this particular channel. Do well to invite other people to join us if they have not done that, and we will have it going higher and higher and higher. So guys, see you in the next tutorial. For me now, it's a bye-bye.